What's up, guys? How's it going today? And so today's video is going to be a little bit different. My wife's going to be in it. And if you remember this car that she bought me off of her Facebook, like it was one of her Facebook purchases. It's a 2002 Sunfire, I think, but it's a Barbie car. I don't get, like, it's kind of creepy, like a Barbie on here and different things. But this is a stick car. And my wife doesn't know how to drive a stick, so let's take her for a drive and scare her a little bit, and then let's see how funny it is watching her try to get this thing moving. It'll be fun. My wife is currently in the shop working on, I don't know, she's on her phone doing something, but she's working. And she always comes in and bugs me while I'm working with her "Hey honey," and then tells me a joke. So let's flip the script a bit. Hey, honey.
What?
You didn't expect a "hey, honey" out of me.
Well, no, because I got one.
I'm sure you do. But before that, I got the Sunfire charged up. So I'm going to take you for a drive in it. Show you how to run a stick, because you don't know how to run a standard. So I think it'd be funny to show everyone your driving skills today.
Maybe not.
It'll be fun. Let's go.
And a 4x4. Hold on.
You what?
I had one that wasn't in 4x4. Now I'm good to go.
Oh my God, you and your Crocs.
They're so comfy.
Okay, what was your reasoning with buying this pink glitter covered car?
I thought you'd do something cool with it.
We're gonna do something cool with it right now.
Me
Well, I don't know if it'll be that cool, but no. I'm gonna take you for a drive first, and then you'll see how I drive it, and then you can try. It'll be fun. Get in the passenger seat. What'd you say? Oh, there's like stripper glitter everywhere. No, don't do that. Why did you buy this thing? Oh my God.
Hey, honey.
What?
What do you call balls dipped in glitter?
What?
Pretty nuts.
Oh my God, this is terrible. Like, I can't even get away from it in my videos.
Oh, it's so hot.
Okay, so I didn't set up a GoPro. I didn't set up any of that stuff. We aren't very fancy here, so I'm not gonna set up a bunch of fixed place cameras. So I don't know what if I just flip this camera around and then show my, like, let my wife film herself. I don't know, but we're gonna have some fun.
What are you planning on doing? Should I put my seatbelt on?
Yeah, you should probably put your seatbelt on.
Okay, we have kids that we have to get to, right?
Uh-huh.
Hold on. All right.
Okay, so this is your shifter.
Yes, I know that.
So it shows you the shift pattern.
Yes.
So you have to push the clutch in, put it in gear, and then you gotta let the clutch out slowly while giving it a little bit of gas, and away you go. Just like that. Just a little bit of gas. And then so we'll get up here.
Yeah, make sure there's no vehicles coming.
This is gonna be so much fun.
Why?
Because.
Okay. We can't die.
Okay.
I can't even see out the windshield. It's so
it's
dirty.
fine. So to shift into second, push the clutch, pull it back, let the clutch out, give it some gas. And away you go. It's pretty easy, actually.
Okay. I'm not really paying attention to what you're saying because I'm trying to video you and not lose where you are.
Okay.
You watch the road, please.
And it just slides into gear. Like, you don't even have to guide it. You just pull it back and it goes into gear.
You just slide it in.
Yes, you just slide it into gear. So then when you're slowing down, you have to obviously shift down. So we're in 4th gear right now. So to slow down, push the clutch in, go to 3rd, let it out.
Okay.
And then slow down a bit, and then same thing, down to 2nd.
Okay.
And then down to 1st.
Oh.
But if you go too much, it'll do that. So here, we'll turn in here.
Oh.
And then
What was that grinding? That's not normal, is it?
Reverse.
Mm.
Okay. So the next thing I'm gonna teach you.
It smells like burning.
Well, that's probably because it's burning. So the next thing on what I'm gonna teach you is how to drift a front wheel drive car.
I don't need to drift. I don't need to drift as a learning.
Right. Well, you remember Cletus's Hard Park the Spark?
Yes.
Well, it's similar in this car, only this is a standard, so it's a little bit more difficult, but...
Okay.
But like when you come around a corner, like say this one here...
That's the
and
best! What are you doing?
And then you just slide it in.
I am not
Like,
doing
like
okay, no,
around
there's
this
stuff
corner,
all over here.
Slide it.
What are you
And
doing?
keep going. Like even out, it's like we got a little racetrack up here. Slide it around the corner. And then you come up here, no one's coming. And just slide it around.
Okay. All right, I'm good.
And then same thing here. You just
Oh, okay, stop.
slide it around. That's how you do it, hon.
Are you done? Okay, you're gonna have to edit so much.
Don't swear in my videos. We keep them clean.
Are you done?
Yeah, it's your turn now.
No,
You can do the driving.
I'm gonna go.
No, you're good. I wish the camera was rear faced on you.
This one was a little scary.
Why? It's making some noises now. We weren't even going that fast. Here, let's clean the windshield. That didn't really help at all. And all the subscribers on her car.
You gonna record for me too?
No, you're gonna have to just use this video.
But you're doing it the wrong way.
No, I'm not.
Okay, so I didn't pay attention to anything
I know you
said.
didn't, so this will be fun.
Okay. Okay, so what do I do?
Oh my god. Put your foot on the brake.
Okay.
Push, yes, push that. Okay. Now, put your foot in the clutch. Push the clutch in. All the way to the floor. Push it in. Okay.
Well, what's park?
This is your park.
Oh, so I could go.
Well, you need to put it in gear. Oh my god. You don't have to be so dramatic with it. Okay, now slowly let the clutch... Oh my god. Okay.
Now what?
God. Push the clutch in.
It is.
Okay. Start the car.
Like this?
Yes. Well, you don't have... Okay. Push the clutch in.
It is.
What did you do? There you go. Oh my god. Okay. Now put it in gear. You don't have to be so dramatic with it.
Make sure it goes in.
Okay.
Brake.
Now, okay. Yes, you can let go of the brake. Now you got to push the gas a little bit while you let the clutch out. Slowly. Oh my god, how is this so hard?
Maybe it's the teacher.
It is definitely not the teacher.
Okay, brake off.
Oh.
Okay, I did that
Okay.
time.
All right. Okay. Start it. Just okay. Now rev it up to about 1500.
Oh, so I can push the gas and
Yes.
wet. Okay, well
Yes,
that's...
you need to push the gas as you let. Not so.
Hey.
Okay. Hold this.
Okay.
Just goes.
Okay.
This could be my last video, guys. I'm just saying.
Okay, well, tell me what I'm supposed to do.
Drive on the road. Okay, so when you come up to a stop, like what we're coming up to up here at the road,
Yep.
you'll push the clutch in and you'll hit the brake. You hold the clutch in.
This is my first time.
Okay, push the clutch in. No, yeah, now hit the brake. Okay, now to get going again, it's the same thing. Off the brake, you got to give it a little bit of gas and clutch out slowly. No, slowly, not.
Getting it.
Okay, now to go to second gear, push the clutch in.
Let off the gas?
Yeah, let off the gas, push the clutch in, pull it straight back.
Good, good, good. I can't see though.
You don't have to wiggle the shifter like we aren't truckers here.
Okay, good. Now how do I get slower?
So to slow down, it's the reverse. Push the clutch in, and you can't just jam it. You have to feel where it's going. Push the clutch in. Okay, not so fast. Like, why are you trying to be so fast with it?
No, because I thought I had to be.
No, you don't. You can do everything slow-mo. Okay, so to go into second, you're gonna have to go over and back. No. Push the clutch in. Oh my God. This is why
You're a teacher. Have patience.
shitty teacher. I've told you 5 times to slow it down and you haven't slowed it down once.
Okay, there's too many things going on.
Okay, get into first gear. Slower.
How slow do you want me to go?
God. This is...
And how do I drift?
You aren't ready to drift.
But I'm gonna just turn it around up there.
We're gonna end up in the ditch upside down. I can see it already.
Okay, but I don't want to go further.
Well, go turn around up here. Just leave it in first gear and just do a U-turn. I don't think you're ready for backing this up.
Why?
Because you don't pay attention to your surroundings enough.
What am I in? Am I in first?
You're in first.
Okay. And now what? How do I can I just brake now?
Well, you still gotta push the clutch in if you're coming to a stop. Okay, just let the clutch out. Let the foot. Okay, now turn it. This is...
Well, okay, this is my first
Okay,
time.
now for second gear, just slowly pull it into gear. You don't have to jam it. There you go.
Is that better?
Yeah, it is way better because you're
What do I change at?
at like
2000?
25 hours. Okay, you can change.
Is that a yes?
No, you missed a gear.
Well, how do I know? How do you know?
Because you're grabbing the thing like stop being so aggressive. You don't need to grab onto it. Just hold the thing in your, and then you can feel what gear it goes in. Like you just went down a gear. Okay, push your clutch in, and you could just pull it back like that. There you go.
What is that? That second?
Yes, now you're in second. So push it in, go to third. That was better.
Okay. And now how do I want to stop fast?
So if you want to...
I'm learning.
Oh my God. See that? You can't just jam it. That's how you wreck stuff.
I'm sorry, how did you learn?
I'm a farm kid.
Okay, what do I do now? How do I
just park it. Unless you want to keep trying to learn.
No. Not with you.
Oh my God.
So 2 feet like this?
Yes. Yeah. And then put it into neutral. No, put it into neutral.
What's neutral?
Right there. And then, yeah. And there you go. And there's our first lesson. We didn't die.
You are not a good teacher.
I'm a wonderful teacher.
No.
She like tore up my yard. So for a first lesson, it wasn't bad. We'll keep learning you.
I don't think it was
I mean, she didn't kill us, so she didn't hit the ditch, all that stuff.
Twice
So
in the beginning.
3 times.
In the beginning.
Yeah. So episode 1 of teaching my wife to drive a stick.